representative from the Office of the Vice President, pero
Wala pa rin po, Comsec.
May I recognize, Your Honor?
Yes, Comsec,
I
you're
was
recognized.
informed by the registration that there was one representative who signed in the registration. Her name is Marie Cristel Axalan, while the rest did not register, Your Honor. And they are not here anymore. Marie Cristel Axalan signed the registration, Your Honor.
She signed in the registration,
Yes.
but she is not physically okay.
so with that, Mr. Chair, tineterminate ko na po yung ibang katanungan ko at antayin ko na lang po sa susunod na hearing pagka dumating na po yung Office of the Vice President. Salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
Yes,
Congressman, Deputy Speaker Jay Suarez, you're recognized.
thank you very much. Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of our next interpellator, I just want to go back dito sa COA natin. Attorney Camora, nabanggit niyo po kanina na nakapag-submit po ng documents tungkol po dun sa liquidation ng 125 million in 11 days, no?
Attorney Camora.
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Can you please submit to the committee the documents that were submitted?
Mr. Chair, since it was already subpoenaed by the Committee on Appropriations,